Lesson 10 is about divisibility, and when we talk about divisibility, the first thing we need to do is define it. And the definition that we have for divisibility is the capability of a whole number to be divided by another whole number with no remainder. Now, what this means is if, say, we have a problem like 15 divided by 3, we know 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, so we could say 15 is divisible by 3. Now, if we had a problem like 10 divided by 3, the answer would be, well, it would have to be 3 remainder 1, or 3 and 1/3, so we would say 10 is not divisible by 3 because the answer has a remainder. Now when we work with divisibility and divisibility rules, we've got several different things that we have to remember. Rules for divisibility, this is on page 39 if you'd like to see it in your textbook. This needs to be copied down into your notes before you get to class next time I see you. Number 1 says a whole number is divisible by 2 if the last digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So say we have something like 10 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So 10 is divisible by 2 because it ends in a 0. This works with all even numbers. Say we had 16 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8 because it ends in a 6. So any number ending with a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 is going to be divisible by 2. Number 2, a whole number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So say we had the number, let's say we had 12. 12. If we take the 1 plus the 2, 1 plus 2 is going to be equal to 3. And we know 3 is divisible by 3 because 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So 12 must be divisible by 3. So we know 12 divided by 3, we know that is going to be equal to 4. So we can use that divisibility rule to help us to solve this problem. Now, let's say that we had the number 99. 99. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. And we know 18 is divisible by 3 because 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So 99 must be divisible by 3, and 99 divided by 3 happens to be 33. So we can always use that rule to find out if a number is divisible by 3. Alright, the fourth one, a whole number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is either 5 or 0. So 15 divided by 5, we know that was equal to 3. 30 divided by 5, we know that's equal to 6. So if the last digit is a 5 or a 0, it's going to be divisible by 5. Our final rule. Number 4, a whole number is divisible by 10 if its last digit is 0. So say we had like 30 divided by 10, that would be equal to 3. Or 700 divided by 10, last digit is a 0, it must be equal to 70. Please pause the video now if you'd like to copy this page down if you need more time. Okay, which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? 99. That's a good one because we just did that one. We know 9 plus 9 is 18. And we know 18 is divisible by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So 99 divided by 3. We can look at the math. We know 3 goes into 9 3 times. Okay, we've got 9. We subtract. We've got 0 with 9 left over. 3 goes into 9 3 times. We've got that quotient of 33. So the answer for A is yes. Okay, let's go ahead and look at B. 1,239. So 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 more equals 6, plus 9 more is equal to 15. Is 15 divisible by 3? 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So yes, 1,239 is divisible by 3. Now, this one, you could go through the math if you would like to, but the question says which of the following numbers are divisible by 3? So B is divisible by 3. We don't have to do the math because we know the answer is yes already. Now our final one, 1,561. 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Plus 1 is equal to 13. Is 13 divisible by 3? 13 divided by 3 would have to be equal to 4 and 1/3. So this one would be no. Okay, so we have our answers. A and B are divisible by 3. C is not divisible by 3. Okay, we've got a three-part question here. Which of the following numbers are divisible by A, 2, B, 5, and C, 10? Let's answer question A first. By 2, that means the last digit has to be an even number. So 4 is definitely divisible by 2. 32 is divisible by 2. 75 is not, because its last digit is odd. 99 is not. 4,165 is not. 4,020 is. We're all done with part A. Let's look at part B. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 5? So for it to be divisible by 5, it has to end in a 5 or a 0. No, no, yes. So 75, 99 is not, 4,165, and 4,020 both are. Let's go ahead and look at problem C. Problem C said which of them are divisible by 10? Well, 10 is easy because it has to end in a 0. So 4,020 must be our only answer for C. Make sure you've got this slide copied down as well for your notes. Whoops, went the wrong way. Our lesson practice, we'll continue working on these types of problems on page 40. Make sure you've got your notes completed, and I will see you next time.